Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm a day late with this upload. However, I wanted to put it up today rather than yesterday, which was the 15th, because this is my St. Patrick's Day makeup look. Yay! St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays. It's very big with my family. We're very Irish on my mom's side. And we're a little bit Irish on my dad's side. We ended up finding out through some old like family records that we came across. So I'm very Irish, if you couldn't tell by how pale I am. And actually my natural hair gets a little red in the summer, so I have a lot of Irish in me. I have my Straight Outta Ireland shirt on that I got from Forever 21 like 3 years ago and never wore because COVID. So I am going to do my St. Patrick's Day makeup, so let's get started. Start with my eyes today, just because I am going to have a lot going on with them, so I want to prime them up first. So I'm just going to use a kind of nude beige color to set my concealer and highlight under my brow. We're going to use a bit of a sparklier highlight underneath, but I just want to get everything set down first. I'm going to go in with a shimmery white on the same brush and tap this just by the tail of my brow, kind of where my arch comes, and then blend it over so it is all blended out. So tapping and then blend. So I'm going to go in with this dark green color from the Division Reloaded palette from Makeup Revolution. And this is going to be our transition / crease color since we're doing a cut crease. I like setting my mirror below me and kind of looking down when I do this because I'm going right on my brow bone. And I'm just going to use little packing motions to lay the color down because I don't remember if this shade is chalky or not. It almost looks black or dark gray, but I assure you it is a deep, like foresty green. So I'm just very slowly placing the color down, and then I'll use another brush to blend it out. So I'm going to go in with a duo fiber brush, and we're going to very lightly start blending just the edge of this shade into our kind of shimmery white and tan colors. So I really like this brush for things like this, to just blend and not add product, and you're able to just kind of move everything around without it getting really muddy. So you can tell as I've lightened this up that it's a little more green than it looked initially. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going to go into like a more emerald green shade. Looks like that on the brush, on a pencil brush. And now we're going to go in the crease with this. So I'm just drawing along my crease with the pencil and making sure I bring it up enough so that you can see it from when my eyes are opened or closed. To blend this green, I'm going to use the same brush I used before, the duo fiber brush, and just give it a couple passes so that our edges are nice and blended. I'm going to take a bit of concealer, and I'm going to use a brush to do this so that it stays nice and clean on the lid. We're just going to take it right under that crease and up the side. Take a really shimmery green. This is like a true kind of grassy green, and pack this almost to the top of our eyelid. And I'm going to take a green pencil. This one is Tropical Green from NYX, so another shade of green. And we're going to cut the crease, like do the line. Okay, so obviously I did a lot off camera. I did my brows, my concealer, my foundation, my lashes, all of that off camera. So now we are just going to contour up a little bit. I'm just going to use my Nude Wear bronzer that I've been using. I'm not doing anything super heavy with this, just a little shading. So I'm using a bigger contouring brush than I normally would. And then I'm just gonna frame up my face around the edges here. I use this kind of tan warm blush. This is from ColourPop. It's from the first Hello Kitty collection, so I don't think you can get it anymore, but it's called Yummy Cookies. And I'm just using a brush to put this on with, even though it's a Super Shock, so it's kind of creamy. And then I'm going to use the same brush and use the Paraloon highlighter, which is a green highlighter from ColourPop. Put it on my nose. Go up like this. I want to be very shiny. And a little bit here. Okay, so very glazed donut right now. And for lips, I'm going to use kind of a nude color. I thought about green, but I do green like every year for my lips. This is the Naked Coral color from Maybelline. Okay, so now I'm going to throw on my wig and you'll be all done with this look. So here is the completed look with my wig. It is my, big red one that you guys really seem to like. So if you like this video, make sure you like down below. Make sure you share it with your friends. Try this look out for yourself tomorrow. Everybody have a happy and safe St. Patrick's Day. I know some places are having festivities and some places aren't. So, be careful, wear a mask, all that stuff. So I will see you guys in the next one.